Today, I'm going to show you how to change the LCD, what we call screen, of Samsung A32 4G. Firstly, you have to have a screwdriver, star. And you have to have also the flat plastic paper to remove the back cover at the back. After removing the back cover at the back, is also screws at the back. There are many. You must make sure all the screws you remove them. Because if you don't remove all the screws, the frame of the back cover can't come out. It will complicate you to come out. And when you want to remove the frame of the back cover, you must also use your hands. Don't forget also to remove what you call SIM slot, the way you put a SIM card, before even to remove the frame from the back cover. Don't forget to use your hand. After removing the frame from the back cover, after removing the frame from the LCD frame, you have also to disconnect the battery. You must disconnect the battery. After disconnect the battery, you disconnect also the flex cable for LCD to charging system. To remove the battery, you must use something like plastic. Don't use the metal, because if you use the metal, it can explode. You must use something like plastic. And then when you remove after removing the battery, you must also remove some screws which are on the motherboard from the charging system. There's one screw on top and there's another one down. Don't forget to disconnect also fingerprint, because down from the charging system is also fingerprint. After removing the screw, you must take out the fingerprint from the frame, from the screen frame. Disconnect the fingerprint from the charging system. After that, you remove the ringer. After removing the ringer, you must also removing the ear speaker. After ear speaker is also there the power pattern. Remove the power pattern. Make sure to remove the power pattern correctly, because otherwise you can cut it. After that, you remove the ear speaker. When you found everything you remove from the old frame for the old screen, you take the new screen, because A32 Samsung is most of them is coming with the screen is coming with the frame. Yes, some of they can come without frame, but most of them is coming with the frame. So when it's come with the frame, you have to remove everything from the old frame of screen to bring it to the new frame screen. Put everything, you start, maybe you can start yourself, you can start by ringer, you can start by ear speaker, you can start by power pattern flex. Make sure everything you put it correctly, because if you change the position from the speaker, because the position from the speaker for the connector, they are down. If you change the position, the speaker can't work. So you must make sure you put correctly the way you take from the old frame screen. After that, you put the motherboard. After putting the speaker, ear speaker, power pattern, ringer, you put the motherboard, you put the charging system, and put back those two screws, one on top and one down. After put that one, you must make sure the cable for connection is a network cable. It's connecting to motherboard to the charging system. That is a network cable. must make sure it's connected correctly. Otherwise, you can't get the network on your phone. The network will be up and down, up and down. So you must make sure that cable is connected from top to down. Don't forget to put the fingerprint, because after putting the because the fingerprint is connected to the charging system, you put back the fingerprint and they connect it to the charging system. After putting everything, you must put back the battery. But don't connect the battery before to put the flex cable, LCD flex cable. You put the LCD flex cable, you connect to the motherboard, and down you connect it to the new LCD. The cable are down. It's two ways. One way is going to LCD and one way is going to the charging system. After that, you connect the battery. When you connect the battery, you are able now to test your phone, your screen, if it's working. Make sure your battery is good connected. Okay. When you connect the battery, you can see your phone is coming on. So it means the work is successful. The screen is good, it's working. After testing the screen, you can put that frame of the back cover back from the new frame screen. Make sure you tighten it nicely. Check everywhere, check your screen nicely before even to close the screws. You can use glue from the back cover. You can use glue. You can put the screws, no problem. You can even put, after putting the glue, you can put the screws, no problem. But you can see a certain part putting the glue before even to putting the screws. After putting the glue, I put back the screws. It's the way to save time, so that with the way I'm putting the glue first, it's still drying, and from there I put the screws. It's a way to save a time. Make sure all the screws are back, and you close it correctly. Thank you very much for everyone who watching this video from the channel Tech Skill Base. Tech Skill Base is a channel will help you to learn many things about your laptop, about your computers, about your cell phone, let's say about cellular devices. So we'll help you to know about many things of hardware, software on your phone, on your laptop, on your computer, at your home, at your office. Don't forget to subscribe for our channel Tech Skills Base.